right? And oh, I have
Those
to,
slides will
I have to tell it, it's all right. Okay,
Okay.
now let me get it right. The lift icon is right there,
Okay.
near the bottom.
We're gonna hit that.
So, this is, so your first drawing shows your home page on your iPhone.
Which first line?
So
Oh, yeah. Okay.
you
It says carpool.
no, but you're already ahead of the game. That's all right. You press lift. That's
Okay,
fine.
good.
Okay. So now you're through with this. You don't need
Okay,
that
good.
anymore. Now you have to look at the second and the third one side by side.
Line and lift. Oh, these you
These
took
two.
them out. These now.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Side
You
by
will
side.
now choose whether you want lift or line. The iPhone screen will look like the second or the third drawing.
The what? This
The
one. Will look
iPhone screen will look like the second or the third
so it's
drawing.
this one. Second.
All right. Let's suppose you want to use line. And your
Okay.
screen looks like the second drawing. Okay, and that's the case, isn't it?
Shall I hit
The
line?
screen looks like that. Right. So it
Hit
has
line.
4 rectangular bars. Click on the bar that says line. She was already ahead of me. You're done. Forget about the third drawing.
Oh, forget about the third drawing. What about the second drawing?
The second drawing, don't forget about it.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Forget about
So
the
you can
drawing.
put that aside.
Second drawing still
Okay.
apropos. Okay.
If the iPhone doesn't, oh, we're not ready to forget about it yet, come to think of, because I tell about what happens if the iPhone doesn't have that. In other words, what if the iPhone looks like the third one?
Oh,
Drawing 3. Is that drawing 3 again?
this is 3 again.
Okay. Now, so it wasn't necessarily true that your drawing looked like this. It could have looked like this.
Oh,
That was why I had you put them side by side. Okay, this is
Okay.
interesting. I'm learning something about this. Because I myself forgot that you can't, I was explaining 2 things. I was explaining drawing 2,
uh-huh.
if your iPhone looked like that, or your iPhone might look like that. That sounds
My
crazy.
iPhone looked like that.
And
with lift
yours,
at the top.
you look like that. And now I'm saying, supposing it looked like this instead. Okay. Then, then it looks like the third drawing, in that it has a circle at the bottom. You see on the circle at the bottom? See pointer 1 on the drawing.
I don't see a circle. You mean this circle with the arrow? Oh, this
Here's
one.
Pointer 1, and
Oh.
it's pointing to the circle.
This circle.
Yes.
Okay.
And the circle contains the word lift, or line, or it contains a check mark.
It contains lift.
Okay. Now you want line. If it says line, you are done. You can get rid of that,
It doesn't.
Completely.
It says lift.
but it says lift, right?
Right.
If it says lift, tap on it. Tap on that circle. Get the 4-bar menu.
Well, that didn't.
Well, of course, it would be on your, this
Oh.
was something that never happened, because yours looked like this.
It says line on that. It
Okay.
says line in that one.
Yeah, okay.
Should I tap
So-
on that?
This is just in case
Oh.
this didn't apply here. If your screen didn't look like this piece of paper, then you would have to say, well, what would I do if it looked like this?
And what would I do if it
You
looked
would
like
press that circle
that? On there.
on there,
Except it says line.
Right.
So now what do I do?
and you press on that circle until it says, it then says lift. If it says
Mean I
lift,
should keep hitting line?
wait, if it says line, you are done. If it says lift, which I think it does over there, tap on it. Get the 4-bar menu.
But it
and
doesn't
tap
say
on
lift
line.
here. It says line.
But you've already done all this. You've said my iPhone looks like this, and I can forget about this.
Okay.
I'm telling you, supposing when you started out, your iPhone looked like this.
Yeah.
Can I try to explain that?
Yes.
Look, there are 2 different services.
Yeah.
One service might be a bit